Hey babe, so if you ain't got no edges, you ain't got no time, and you ain't got over $100 to waste on these new headband wigs, stick with me and I'll show you how I went from this to slaying this cheap Amazon wig. All you need is a $10 Amazon wig and a $2 headband. Let's go. So a couple of weeks ago, I ordered a whole bunch of stuff from Amazon and I actually did a haul, and I haven't had a chance to do my hair, but I have somewhere to go. So I was like, you know what, I owe y'all probably about 10 videos, so let me just go ahead and see if I can record this video while I throw this thing on. My hairline comes down to my eyebrows, like my hairline is all the way down here. So to put the lace out, you know, and not rip out my hair, it would be like on my eyebrows. And then if I do put the lace back here, then I'm taking out all my hair. And although it looks like I have some baby hairs, I have, like, this is long enough to be inside the braid. So there really is no extra hair. It's thin, but it's long. So as you can see, it's in the braid. So lace fronts really put the big forehead girls on the map, because the lace fronts work perfect for y'all. But with people with normal hairlines or low hairlines, we can't wear no lace fronts. Although I say we can't wear no lace fronts, guess what I bought? Several lace fronts. So this is the Charisma wig. I don't remember the exact type, but I'll put the link down in my description box. And also I have an affiliate link. So the thing with that is, if you click on the link, I would get a small percentage of whatever sales you make. But that link is there. I'm actually a new partner. Yay! So I got approved for the partnership. So like I said, I'll put a link in my description box to this wig. But this one is, let's see, I don't even know, but this is what I'm wearing. Okay, the burgundy. Ooh, okay, she's soft. She seems a little flat. It'll probably puff up as the day goes. That just seems like the texture of hair. But okay, so this is the burgundy. I want to say it is 26 inches long. 28 inches. Anyway, I'll put the details down below. So it is absolutely a lace front, but what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is turn this thing into a headband wig, because I also bought a bunch of headbands, y'all. Look, I bought all different colors. There are some really pretty ones, you know, me and yellow, we always work. So I just got several. I got a big bundle of headbands. So let's just see how we gonna do this thing. Oh, I think this is pretty. I don't know what shirt I'm gonna wear, so I'll probably change out my headband, but I think we'll just start with this one. And I have never done this before, so I'm gonna actually try this. My hair needs to be washed. I've been in these braids for like 3 weeks now, so I ain't about to do nothing to these braids. I've got just a raggedy headscarf that I'm gonna put on to protect what little bit of edges I have. Let me just twist this up real quick. I'm not gonna put it on tight, I'm just putting it on. So let me see, it goes around, I can get it around a comfortable 3 times. Let me see, barely 3. Well, I'm not gonna want that hump up there. Well, we'll see. Okay, so as you see, I put on my little head wrap. I'm actually gonna pull it forward a little bit since my hairline is so low. Okay, that'll work. Let me get my ears out of here. And we have a comb in the back and then 2 combs on the sides. So I'm going to put all of that. I'm gonna anchor all of that on my head wrap. So let's see how this goes. Hold on, where is the damn part? There we go. Let me turn this thing around, y'all. I know I gotta get going because this man is gonna be at my house in less than an hour. All right, the back comb I'm putting underneath the head wrap in the back. And then, matter of fact, that's him texting me right now. Okay, sir, I'm coming. Okay, each one of these combs is going to go under, well, in the midst. Okay, see, there goes the bottom, but there's the second layer. So I'm gonna put it underneath this side so that it's never coming in contact with my hair at all. Pulling this down. And then let me put this side in. Yeah, y'all, I'm trying something. We don't see how this looks. All right, now I need to slide it back just a bit. And I'm going to, I think, to cover the lace, I did not cut the lace. I'm not going to cut it. I'm gonna take the lace and fold it up under my black head wrap. There we go. That feels good. Okay, now I'm going to take this head wrap, my headband, and cover the wig. That's so pretty. This one is such a pretty color. Okay, now to secure everything in place, I've got some bobby pins. I'm going to go under on the very inside of the headband. Then I'm gonna go into the underside of my actual head wrap and the lace. Then I'm gonna take all of that and I'm gonna slide it into my natural hair into one of the braids. There we go, that's one. See, and then if I just pull the headband down, you can't even see. Let me zoom in for y'all. You can't even see the bobby pin, and it's actually right here going back. And let me secure my wig. I'll go underneath. All right, right here I'm securing the wig. I'm securing one of the wefts to my actual braid and pushing that down into my hair. There we go, just so this thing don't fall off. All right, I'm about to put about 8 to 10 more of these just to be safe. All right, let me do this side just like I did the front. I'm on the underside of the headband. Then I've got on the other side of the lace. Then I'm going into my head wrap and pushing it into my normal hair. So it's just gonna stay there. And I wanna see how far back I want this to go. I could actually push it back a little more. I don't know, if I did some baby hairs, it might help my forehead not look so big. I have a very small forehead, but it looks huge because my hair is fine. What do y'all think? If I push it back a little bit more, I really don't even have to go that far back, but I could, and it's not gonna hurt anything. So put it back and maybe do a little bit of baby hairs. I don't even know if I need them, but okay. This is so cute. I love this little wig, y'all. She is something else. All right. And I feel like she's already starting to puff out a bit. So as the day goes on, we'll see if it gets bigger and bigger, which I would love that. It's already bigger from when I took it out of the package. Now, this is not the traditional, oh, I just bought this, you know, headband wig. No, I just put a lace front wig on my head because I got to get up out of here. Okay, of course I'm gonna do my lips, clean some stuff up, and you know what, we will be right back. So what do you all think? I think it's pretty okay, and I think it's great for people with short foreheads. It's actually pretty cool. Yeah, so he still is not here yet, so that's great. That means I was able to complete this look, make this video, and talk to y'all for a quick second, and I still have time to burn. It's just so pretty. I just like it. Okay, so, and I chose to go with this headband because it's kind of a neutral color since I have the stripes in my shirt. And of course my glasses. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you comment down below. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Let me know, because I have several Amazon wigs, all different colors, all different styles, and we can definitely put some stuff together and play if y'all are into that. But just make sure you let me know in the comment section down below. Before you go, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit the blue bell for the notifications, thumbs your girl up, and let's do this again next time. I decided to take this thing outside so that you guys could see the color in the actual sunlight. Loving this color. And this is the ultimate protective style because there was no snagging, no pulling. I didn't use any tape, any glue, anything else. The only thing that came in direct contact with my actual hair were a few bobby pins and my head wrap. Y'all let me know what color you guys want to see on me next.